Today I'm going to be showing you how to recover an Instagram account after it's been deleted. Let's jump in. So I have an account that I've recently deleted in the last 30 days. And what I'm going to do in order to reactivate the account is you just need to sign in as you normally would. Okay. So we're going to say use another profile. So I'm just going to add my username and password and click login. And then you see that this window pops up saying, hey, you scheduled this to delete. Are you sure that you don't want it to delete? And all you need to do is say, keep account. Click on keep account, click login again. And I'm just going to say not to save my login information. And there you go. We're back into the account. Everything that we had there before, of course, I didn't have any posts, but this is all still intact. So a nice little trick if you've deleted your account or it's been suspended for whatever reason in the last 30 days, you can then be able to reactivate it just by using your original login information. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.